If I tell you the chance of a heavy rainstorm tomorrow is 50% more than today, would you consider bringing an umbrella? If I tell you the chance of a heavy snowstorm tomorrow is 50% more than today, would you consider staying at home instead of getting out? Day to day, you rely on this type of information to make informed decisions before taking any risks, such as getting yourself caught in the rain or driving in a winter storm. This is where my passion on climate change and sustainability research comes in. Because knowing climate is changing is different than knowing how much it is changing. I help policymakers to understand climate change impact on rain and snow. This is accomplished by using statistical tools and algorithms to do risk assessments, by turning data into meaningful and actionable probabilities, such as the chance of a heavy storm tomorrow. My work facilitates people's understanding about changing patterns on rain and snow before and after they fall on the ground. Therefore, engineers, municipalities, and policymakers can make more informed decisions about building resilient cities, and you will have a better idea about whether you need an umbrella or you should stay at home for tomorrow.